And it's time for Forbes 30 Under 30, the only project in Georgian media currently which aims at finding young and gifted people and securing their motivation by their association with the global brand Forbes. This time we will tell you the story of a Georgian smart king, Knick, which became Amazon's favorite product and which we call a real Lord of the Rings.
Yes, Knick allows you to replace any passcode or card, and you can also manage an Android smartphone. The ring can load lots of information, links, files. You can even share them with another smartphone. Tesla owners, lucky you guys, are especially interested because it can open any door virtually. In short, how does the company deal with the pandemic and what are the main challenges for Georgia's 30 under 30 in the checkpoints?
Knick makes authentication effortless and secure. We converted bulky wallet into a fashionable tiny ring that combines different kinds of cards like payment, access, or even key card for vehicle. Currently, Knick is available worldwide, including in the United States, Europe market, or Korean. But unfortunately, in Georgia, it is not fully functionally because it has not payment function, and Georgia is a country with underdevelopment economic. So we are working to make available this product with full functionality in this country. And on parallel side, we are working to improve product features globally. Currently, our main target and main customers are people who are owner of Tesla because the product replaces Tesla key card, and it is super convenient and a really seamless experience to wearing instead of physical key. On other side, the product is available with access systems, so you can use the ring instead of access cards. Of course, we have competitors, but most key factors and most advantages of our product is that it is fully customizable, it is available in many designs, many colors, and it provides a really seamless experience. It is perfect fit for wearers, and this is most key factor why customers prefer our products. And recently we have negotiation with some foreign investors. One is from UAE, like in Dubai. Recently we added a bracelet. It has the same functionality as ring, and both of them are very popular product in Knick community. Also, we have new announcement. We launched a hand sanitizer bracelet. It is perfect accessory for daily use to decrease the spread of COVID-19.